This is Challen Yi, bringing acupuncture mainstream one talk at a time. Let's talk a little bit about digestion. Now, there's a very simple acupuncture treatment for people that come in with maybe some chronic or acute digestion problems. There are some key acupuncture points to help promote the digestion and also the downward movement of qi, so that you have essentially food going in the right direction and also being better metabolized through the proper movement of qi and the functioning of the organs. But of course, when you're talking about digestion problems, it would also be a proper treatment would be incorporating proper diet. Certainly analyzing a patient's diet is critical to resolving any type of digestion problem. And what I discovered learning Chinese medicine and being exposed more to traditional Chinese culture is that we in the Western world we just love cold drinks. I mean, if you grew up in the United States, and the worst ones, they're all soda. Drinking cold soda, drinking even cold water with meals, just any time. We just love our cold drinks with ice, right, and soda during meals. What I discovered, this is a big no-no in terms of keeping a healthy digestion. There's just a number of reasons that drinking too many cold things for the average person is just really bad for the digestion, and more so to create qi stagnations in the lower body, which can lead to other problems. So one of the things that traditional Chinese do while they eat is they don't drink cold things. In fact, they often just avoid cold food, period, in general. Unless it's a special dessert or something like that, but even most desserts are not that cold when served in the typical Chinese fashion. So if you come in for a treatment for digestion problems, you're going to have to perhaps present what you've been eating to your practitioner so they can help guide you to improving your diet. Now, there's a couple of simple things that you can do. For example, GERD. GERD, or acid reflux, for most people, is what happens when you have some acid coming up into your esophagus and burning it. And the typical approach that I've seen for a lot of Western patients is that they'll get an antacid or some type of pill to take to reduce the acid in their stomach. What you'll discover is that a lot of people who are having this kind of problem don't have enough acid in their stomach. So there's some very simple dietary things you can try. For example, a little bit of a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, organic apple cider vinegar, with that mother of stuff in there, with a cup of water, and this drinking that before a meal. Perhaps they have a little bit of green tea a half hour after a meal to help settle the stomach. These are more natural things that have had very positive effects for people that have come to me complaining about acid reflux. So in addition, with the acupuncture treatment, this type of approach can be very effective. In addition to being careful not to add too many cold things to your meal, especially drinking cold drinks with your meal. So this can really be a detriment to your digestion and can lead to other things. And if you've been doing this all your life, don't worry about it. You can begin the change a little bit at a time to rectify these problems. So all you need to do is just establish one new habit every once so often, like every week, to begin to get things straightened out. So this has been acupuncture, but how acupuncture is used together with other things like diet and nutrition to help rectify some of the common problems. For example, in this case, digestion problems. So I hope you found this useful. This is Challen Yi, bringing acupuncture mainstream one talk at a time, and I'll see you on the next video.